Hello and welcome to Gorilla Suit's first introductory video to the Minecraft Redstone Circuits series. I am Gorilla Suits, and in this series I will be showing you basics to building Minecraft Redstone circuits. This is just the pre-information kind of disclaimer video where I'll just be kind of going over my intent with the series, and other things like that. So first off, what I do is I have a... I can't do it here. My mods installed are Rise Minimap. You can see that just up in this corner over here. That basically just lets you see how far away things are on kind of like a map-like scale. It also gives you your coordinates and your X, Y, and Z axes. My texture pack is OCD texture pack, and just because it gives you a nice clean texture and you can definitively tell where redstone is and isn't. I have Bukkit built in or put in with world edit, so that's really just because you're going to be using a lot of circuits. A lot of stuff needs to get repeated, saved, etc. So I would definitely recommend getting yourself Bukkit and World Edit or World Essentials, whichever you would need. I think World Essentials actually has World Edit built into it. I also have my settings set to the lowest possible. That's just to reduce lag, so my graphics are fast, max FPS, short render distance, so on and so forth. I've got my brightness turned up simply because it makes it harder or easier, sorry, for me to see. Sometimes it's dark in my room, so on and so forth. That's really all for specs I have. I assume you know your computer specs, and everyone has a different computer, so you should probably figure that out, see what works best for your Minecraft. But apart from that, this should really be generally straightforward for you. Moving on, I would like to talk about my intent with these videos. What I am attempting to do is really not give people schematics for Minecraft builds, but rather giving people tools to make these builds themselves in the future without having to go find schematics. So say you want to build a computer. I'm hoping to give you the essentials, not so that you can just copy someone's computer block by block, but actually build your own and understand how it works. So with that being said, I most likely will not be doing any sort of step-by-step tutorials, like literally put a block here, a block here, a block here, so on and so forth. I'll just give you general ideas, and I'll let you guys go wild, and I'll hopefully give you everything you'll need to know in order to actually be able to build your own things. Okay, moving on from that. I am a student at the University of Calgary, studying nanoscience and cellular biology, or I guess it's cellular biology with a minor in nanoscience. So that being said, you'll notice that I don't actually have any computer science background. Most of this stuff I've actually learned from other people playing Minecraft, and I just figured I'd try to create a nice kind of centralized explanation video behind everything that I've learned, because I've found that in most of the videos things can get very confusing and complex. So I'm just kind of hoping really to be a organized database for most of it all. I'll be linking you guys videos and other sites that don't even have to do with Minecraft, because again, I'm not trying to teach you guys how to build Minecraft worlds. I'm teaching you guys how to build circuits or computers in like a computer science aspect. So I'm just going to set time day. There we go. So yeah, that was just another feature of World Edit, is being able to set time and stuff. So yes. Okay, so now that we have all that out of the way, you're going to notice that my builds that I come up with I didn't actually come up with. I've just found builds on the web, mostly from Bennyscube, actually, the user Bennyscube, that I thought were fairly simple and straightforward, and I thought would be perfect for people to learn the basics on. So I've asked for his permission to use them. So I will be using his calculator in this first series about how to make logic gates and everything. I will be using a calculator he built that was his design. This is just me giving him credit for it, and I greatly thank him for allowing me to do this. I have consulted with him and kind of went over a few things with him just in the aspects of Minecraft and computer science itself. He seems to be an avid fan, just like I am, so of that I'm greatly appreciative towards him. He's also far more knowledgeable about this subject than I am, so in any question that I cannot or do not have time to answer, or that I cannot answer, I'll probably be forwarding them to him. So if you guys have really complex questions, it's probably a lot faster just to message him than me, simply because he'd probably know the answer more likely. As I said, I'm not very educated in this subject. I'm self-taught, is really what it is. So with all that being said, I guess you guys can then move on to my next video. All right.